Welcome to today's episode of Trending Chats, where we explore the growing world of low-code, no-code. Say hello to Rekha Patadiya, BTP Customer Success Partner, and let's dive into understanding what low-code, no-code is and its role in accelerating innovation. Hi Rekha, how are you?
Hi Molly, how are you? To explain what low-code, no-code is, I like to use the example of Lego blocks. They represent pre-built modules that you can easily snap together to build something larger. They come in different shapes and sizes, allowing users to experiment, design, and build something from scratch without needing to have a degree in engineering or mechanics. Similarly, low-code tools offer pre-built modules, templates, and components that developers, even non-technical users, can drag and drop to build applications. This removes complexity from coding, allowing users to focus on designing and building and assembling solutions rather than building everything from scratch. So who are the citizen developers that we are hearing so much about? Well, these are end users or business users like you and me without formal coding experience. Using our low-code tools, now they can build applications, business solutions within fraction of the time. And the best part, now the innovation can come from within the business and not just from the IT. I have seen many companies use these tools to great success. Some of them have set up Center of Excellence using the support of IT, retraining their employees to deliver valuable business solutions. And my favorite is when business and IT comes together and participate into hackathon to come up with creative and innovative solutions. This is the perfect opportunity to bring your IT and business together. But how do you make low-code, no-code successful for your organization? Well, number one, enable your citizen developers. It's crucial to invest in getting the right training and tools, reskilling your employees with SAP training courses and hands-on sessions is going to help you innovate quickly and confidently. Number two, establish strong governance. No-code tools require structure. Having clear roles and responsibility figured out for your IT and business users is going to be essential to ensure quality. Number three, build culture of collaboration. Bridge the gap between IT and business. IT can provide an oversight and technical expertise, whereas business can provide insight into unique business value. So this creates an opportunity to bring business and IT together to create something innovative.
Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you on the next episode of Trending Chats.